your girl is a homeowner, okay? Let's get into it. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Tanae, but you can call me Nay. And as you read by that title, your girl is a homeowner, okay? Let's get into it. So look y'all, I know, not too much on me. I said that I was gonna vlog a lot and I was gonna get back into it, tap back into it. But y'all, 2023, life was lifing real bad. So I couldn't record like I wanted to, even transitioning into 2024. Like, I couldn't get to it. I'm gonna make a life update video and we gonna unpack all of that, but not today. It's not about that. It's not about that. Today we here for this house, okay? Your girl did it. But yeah, y'all, I just wanted to come in and make this intro. I want to show y'all my house. So here is the empty house tour. Check it out, check it out. So yeah, y'all, I hope y'all like my home. Y'all, I cried through this whole process. It was not easy, like, at all. I sacrificed for this. I worked hard, so I am so proud of myself. I'm so proud of myself. I'm still at my mom's house right now because we packing up the U-Haul, about to move. But I recorded that video yesterday when I went to the house because I wanted to show y'all. But yeah, y'all, we really gonna unpack because I want to tell y'all about the home buying process. I want to tell y'all about like this spiritual kind of awakening or experience I had. Y'all, it's so much I gotta tell y'all, but we're gonna tap into that in another video. So I'm gonna wrap up this. I hope y'all like my house and your girl's a homeowner. Okay, 2024 newly built home. I did that. I'm so proud of myself.
Yeah, like, I'm really one of them girls. Yeah.
I love it. Pretty legendary, if you ask me.
You did your big one, Pooh.
But yeah, alright, that's it for now, y'all. Bye.